Oh, hello there and welcome back to the Twitter marketing strategies. Last day, day 30. Last day. I'm very happy that you stayed with me. Thank you very much for your support. I'm standing by the El Faro, the lighthouse, as you can see there, and hopefully if I've managed to be a little bit of a beacon for somebody. I know Adam and one or two others are certainly looking into making their own challenges, and that's really great. Does my heart good. And to celebrate today, I'm releasing a new publication, Email Magic. I've already got publications on video marketing, Twitter growth and affiliate marketing, so that was the one that was missing from my little portfolio, and you'll be welcome to get hold of that bit later on today. If you do follow along and get your email list going and one thing or another, you'll be able to spend your time on the beach like all these guys here, whenever you like. I'm Ed Kirwan, and I really appreciate your support and company during this 30-day walking challenge. I hope you can download Email Magic by clicking the link in the description.